You are now eligible to enroll in affordable Medicare Supplement and Medicare Advantage plans. These plans can limit or eliminate your out-of-pocket healthcare costs in retirement. In this short video, we'll explore the ins and outs of Medicare and review your healthcare coverage options. Associated Builders and Contractors is proud to offer these valuable plans in partnership with SelectQuote.
Medicare is the government's form of insurance coverage, health coverage for you. And so all of your life, you have paid into this insurance plan. Now you're going to start realizing the benefits of this plan.
Medicare actually is an insurance designed for people that are 65 and older or under 65 with certain disabilities. And the government put this together so that seniors can have an insurance plan that they can access at an affordable cost.
Medicare Part A, in simple terms, is hospital coverage. So if you're hospitalized and you only have Medicare Part A, that, for the most part, will cover your hospital stay.
Medicare Part B is health insurance that covers doctor visits, exams, immunizations, checkups, other medical procedures, and durable medical equipment like canes, wheelchairs, and other equipment.
Medicare, while it's great coverage for people that are over 65, or again under 65 with certain disabilities, has a lot of pitfalls as well. It's not complete coverage.
There's a lot that Medicare does not cover. Without going into great detail, in general, it's an 80-20 plan. And while 20% of a doctor appointment may not be that big a deal, 20% of a $300,000 surgery or $500,000 stay at the Mayo Clinic, that is a big deal. So that's the reason for our service and the products that we provide. There's no question that if a person leaves themselves only with original Medicare, they are exposed ultimately to an unlimited amount of expense. So with our products, whether it be a Medicare Supplement or Medicare Advantage plan, both of those types of products will either take care of those expenses or at a minimum keep them to a very manageable level.
To take advantage of Medicare, Medicare Supplement, and Medicare Advantage plans, it's important to enroll during the proper enrollment window. Let's take a look at Medicare enrollment windows and how they affect you.
The Medicare enrollment periods are almost as confusing as Medicare itself for our customers. We try to help them simplify that too.
There are only certain time periods that you can enroll in Medicare A and B. So you want to make sure that you are prepared to do that when you're turning 65 and understand what it is you're enrolling in and what the cost will be to you.
When a person is about to turn 65, they have what's called a guarantee issue window, meaning there will be no health questions, no underwriting. If they want a Medicare Supplement policy, they are guaranteed to get that policy.
In most states, the enrollment window begins 3 months prior to the 65th birthday and ends 3 months after the 65th birthday.
Once a person passes their guarantee issue period, unless it's a very unique circumstance, that's the only opportunity they're going to have to get a policy under a guarantee issue. After that, they'll have to go through underwriting, and if there are any significant health issues, they will not be able to get a Medicare Supplement policy.
At Associated Builders and Contractors, we're committed to keeping you informed about Medicare enrollment windows. For more detailed information about enrollment windows, please refer to the document Understanding Medicare Enrollment Windows at www.medicare.gov.
It's definitely typical for people to be overwhelmed because especially when they're aging into Medicare, they're bombarded by phone calls, emails, mail, that it's just very confusing.
All we do here at SelectQuote Senior is Medicare, and that's what they train us on, and that's what we know.
In simple terms, our motto, we shop, you save, means that we're doing something for the customer that would be much more challenging for them if they did it on their own. Let us do the shopping for you. We'll go through all of our carriers, find the plan that you're looking for or that is best going to suit you, and then you'll reap the benefits and save versus what you may have paid if you'd done it on your own.
We're one of the largest insurance advisory firms in the United States, so we're looking at over 20 different A-rated carriers at one time for our customers at no charge to them. So again, we're not married to one carrier over the other. We're really just here to figure out what those customers are looking for and then fit those plans into their needs at no cost to them.
Our agents literally have no incentive to sell one company over the other, nor one plan over the other. And so when we work with our customers, we truly are shopping in their best interest. It doesn't matter who the carrier is, doesn't matter what the plan is. We just want to give them the plan that's going to work best for them at the most affordable premium.
Through the partnership between Associated Builders and Contractors and SelectQuote, you have access to a SelectQuote advisor at no cost to you. They'll help you comparison shop Medicare Supplement or Medicare Advantage plans. Your personal SelectQuote agent will help you find a plan that fits your needs at the lowest possible monthly premium.
One of the great things about the service that we provide is it costs nothing. Sometimes we actually have to explain that in detail to our customers because they almost can't believe that it costs nothing. But literally, if they sign up for a policy with any A-rated carrier, they're not going to pay one more penny than if they walked into that carrier's headquarters and applied directly there. We simply provide this service as a benefit in addition to all of the policies and carriers that we represent.
So the difference between us agents here at SelectQuote Senior versus other agents in the industry is that we are here to find the plan that fits the customer's needs at the lowest cost. We're not married to one carrier versus the other, so our first goal is to find the plan and then go for the lowest cost plan.
I think the individuals that really fit best here or well in with SelectQuote are ones that are passionate about what we do, that really care about having that impact, that positive impact on people's lives, and making sure that when they go home at night they've done everything they can to actually help people.
I've got one example that sticks out that I've always remembered, always will. There was a man who was hospitalized with cancer, had just started Medicare, but knew nothing about it, knew nothing about what he was entitled to get, nothing at all. And so when we called him, he was terrified for many reasons. And the last thing he wanted to deal with was, bills, and unfortunately talking about bills that his family may have to take care of. When we got him on a Medicare Supplement plan, the burden that was lifted was just incredible. And knowing that we help people like that, especially in those situations, makes this all worth it.
It makes me feel really good inside that I'm helping these people and that they're so satisfied, with the service that I provide, that they're actually going out there and telling their families and friends about the service that I provided them.
And that's really what it comes down to for me, is that engagement between the customer and the agent and how the person is treated. Did they get the plan that they needed? Did it fit into their budget, their financial picture, and their situation that they're in? And are they satisfied with that? And that's what we provide.
Associated Builders and Contractors is dedicated to protecting the health and finances of our retirees. Safeguard your assets, income, and well-being today with an affordable Medicare Supplement or Medicare Advantage plan from SelectQuote. Your SelectQuote agent will shop plans in your area at absolutely no cost to you. Find out how much you could be saving today. Give us a call or visit our website to speak to your personal SelectQuote agent. It may be the smartest decision you make for your health, finances, and peace of mind.